So I thought I'd show you what I got in my pack. Got my seat there, water. This is some prescription glasses. That's my fuel. It's a ditty bag that I always have with me at the front. Sorry about that. Here, this is my pillow and my stuff sack for my puffy jacket. My food, my tent, my clothes bag, and my quilt. So that's about it. I've just got a few odds and ends in the pockets. So that's all I have with me. My base weight is 5 kilo. I don't know what that is in the ounces. I use these Ultralight mountain gear pods, and my tent is Z-Packs duplex. This is a Wind Rider 2400 Ultralight backpack. So now I'm all set up for the night. I'll just give you a bit of a look. This is my Graham Expert Elite synthetic quilt. It's the insulation is Apex 200, and it's rated to go to a comfort temperature of -1. I tried it a couple of weeks ago, and that was too cold for me. So I would say it's round about 3 degrees or something comfort temperature. That's what my opinion is. So it's got this 50 centimeter zip, and then it's got these clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips, and then it's got a bungee cord here so you can tighten it up. And then on the bottom, all you do is, I'll just turn it over. So you just sort of tighten this, and you don't need a plug or anything. It just seals up completely, and you put yourself a foot box.